So I wanted to do like kind of a longer summer project. I've never done a medallion quilt for this challenge, and I've always wanted to do one. So this summer, we are going to take a few videos to get this quilt done from center to final border and quilted. The first download is already available, and if you have already signed up for my newsletter, then you may have already gotten it. It has the fabric requirements, kind of a rough schedule, as well as a coloring page. Now, I designed this to be kind of summer starry skies inspired, since I was a camp counselor and spent a lot of time outside in the summer staring up at the stars. So there is a coloring page if you would like to experiment with your own color palette. I'm going to do mine with this dark navy background and kind of shimmery yellows and aquas to represent those starry skies. We'll be tackling a lot of techniques in this medallion quilt as we go. We'll be starting with foundation paper piecing. We'll be moving on to different ways to make flying geese. We'll tackle freezer paper foundation paper piecing, as well as some other techniques and tips to help you have the best time quilting possible. I'll also talk about some ways to enlarge the quilt and have some fun with some different finishing techniques. Now, if you are a channel member and you can join the channel, down below the video, there will be a little join button next to the subscribed button. You can go ahead and download the full pattern already. There will be a link to that in the kind of members only section of the community area of the channel page. Now, joining the channel is not required. You will still get the full pattern. They will just be released in segments as we go throughout the summer, as we kind of complete each round. But if you want to support the channel and get the full download, then that is available to you. So we'll start on our medallion quilts in a couple of weeks. So if you want to download the fabric requirements and get some fabric ordered or picked out and prepped, then you have plenty of time to do so. I also have a series of short videos that I'm filming to round out our schedule and kind of fill our in-between weeks of larger quilt-along medallion videos for the summer. So if you have questions like how I fold my fabric, how I store my fabric, I get a lot of questions about how I load my long arm. So I'll be doing kind of quick, rapid-fire tip-style videos for those kind of topics. So if you have questions or you'd like me to make a little tips video for you, then leave that in the comments to this video and I will add it to my list. I hope you guys are really excited about the medallion. I know that I am. I love medallion quilts. I think that they're a really kind of interesting twist on a sampler style quilt. And I've got a lot of tips to share. So if you are a new quilter, then this will be a great skill builder kind of quilt to make. So I will see you guys at the end of June with the center of this block. And in the meantime, there will be a few more videos coming. So I hope you guys have a wonderful start of your summer and happy quilting.